Welcome to Luxury Renovation Project Anavioma, a unique opportunity in Anavissos, Attica, Greece. A refined renovation concept featuring 3 exclusive maisonettes designed around natural light and seamless living. M1 features 2 bedrooms, private garden areas, a 13 square meters swimming pool, balcony, and dedicated parking. M2 offers bright living spaces, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a sea view pool, landscaped garden, and 2 parking spaces. M3 unfolds across 3 levels with a private loft, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and expansive balconies. The property can be purchased also in its current condition before the renovations at the listed price of €620,000. Contact us for more information. Exclusive by REInvest Greece.